The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fulton County, south central Knox County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Philadelphia, or 10 miles east of Macomb, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fairview around 6:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Farmington,